Welcome to Regal Design USA, where dreams rise above the skyline and every corner tells a story of luxury. Today we explore two worlds, a breathtaking Los Angeles mansion and a stunning Miami Beach condo. Step inside this 100 million architectural masterpiece in the heart of Los Angeles. Every wall, every window whisper power and perfection. Now journey across the coast to Miami Beach, where elegance meets ocean breeze. This 15 million waterfront condo captures modern serenity, floor-to-ceiling glass, endless sea view, and a lifestyle whisper in calm sophistication. Two different worlds, two different homes. One luxury mansion, another one luxury condo. Which one you feel like your dream home?